we have studied 1 millimeter. I will write it again. 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to minus 2 meter. Just for review, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 1 meter. 1 kilometer is 10 to the raised power 3 meter. Okay, from low to high you divide, and from high to low you multiply, and this happened in high school. Suppose if you change meter to centimeter, how do you do? If I say 5 meter change to centimeter, what you will do? 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500 centimeter, is it? If I say change 5 centimeter to meter, what you will do? 5 divided by 100, it is 0.05 centimeter, is it? Yes, you have done in your high school, but this is old method now. Now these days we are using dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis. Name is a little bit complicated, but it is very simple and easy method. Dimensional analysis. What is this method? Okay, students, try to understand. You will take what is given. Now, what is given here? It is 5.6 millimeter. Okay, you will multiply and divide at the same time, like this. Now, what is given? What is malum? Write the same unit, millimeter, down. Yes, same unit you must write it down, same thing. Okay, what you have to calculate? What is matloob? Majhool. That is meter. So what is given, always down. What is to be calculated, you will write it up. Okay, now from here, where is millimeter and meter? In this line. Here, this line. So what is written with millimeter? 1.
Minus 3.
Where is millimeter? 1. Here. And with meter, 10 to the raised power minus 3. This one, same here. Okay. Now what will you do now? Millimeter, same millimeter cancel. What is your answer? Answer will be 5.6 into 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter. This is your answer. No need to multiply, no need to divide. Just direct.
Just
simple.
Minus 3.
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, why not? Boys, I will repeat it again and again because very important method. 7.3 meter to decimeter. Convert 7.3 meter to decimeter. Okay, now what is given? Meter. So you will take 7.3 and you will write meter, that is given, multiply, divide. Okay, now what will you write down? Meter, down. Given is always down. And what you have to calculate? What is matloob? Majhool. Decimeter, dm, up. So when you find, you are going to change from meter to decimeter. Where is meter to decimeter? This one, this line. Check. Okay, so right, where is decimeter? Here. And with decimeter, what is written?
10 minus 1.
And with meter, 10 raised per minus
Total
1.
3.
Yes.
Total 73.
Very good. Yes. Meter will be cancelled with meter. When you use calculator, it is 7.3. 10 to minus 1. When it will go up, it becomes plus 1 decimeter. Or in other words, we can say 73 decimeter. This is our answer. Okay, why I wrote it here down? Why I wrote it here? Boys, it doesn't
Because
matter
here
down and up.
negative.
Yes, very. Because you have to follow this. Here, with the decimeter, 1. Where is decimeter? Up. So you will write 1 with decimeter. And with meter, 10 to the raised power minus 1. So 10 to the raised power minus 1. Another example. I give you another example. Then you will easily understand. If I say change 8.6 centimeter to meter. So what is given? 8.6 centimeter multiply divide.
Answer.
What will you write down?
Meter.
Centimeter.
Centimeter.
Very good. And centimeter and meter. Here is the relationship. It is called conversion factor. With the centimeter, it is written 1, and with meter, 10 to the raised power minus 2. Centimeter is cancelled. So what is your answer? 8.6 into 10 to the raised power minus 2 meter. This is your answer. Yes, any question?
Okay, now I understand.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, this is simple. And convert 3.7 decimeter to millimeter. How will you change? Yes, boys. What is given? Simple. What is given? Malum. 3.7.
Decimeter.
That's very good. Multiply, divide. What will you write down?
1 decimeter. 1.
Decimeter. What will you write up?
Millimeter.
Millimeter. Very good. Okay. Now move to our conversion factor table. Is there any decimeter and millimeter equal?
No.
No.
No. That's the point. That's the point.
Is the-
It is 2-step now. First change decimeter to meter and then meter
change
to
diameter to millimeter.
excellent. Yes, that's the point. Okay. So first we have to change decimeter to meter. Okay.
Teacher,
That's yes.
why we change decimeter and we don't change millimeter?
Because I am saying convert decimeter here decimeter to millimeter. So you have to change decimeter to millimeter. How will you change? First you will change decimeter to meter and
Yes.
then meter to millimeter.
Millimeter. Okay, thank you.
Yes. Welcome. Okay, now here you will find. Here it is. Now what is given? Decimeter. So let's write decimeter down. And what is to be calculated? Now here we will write meter. When we go to that table, it is 1 with decimeter and with meter 10 to the raised power minus 1 meter. Decimeter will be cancelled. What is our answer? 3.7 into 10 to the raised power minus millimeter. So when we move to this table, 1 with millimeter and with meter 10 to the raised power here. When we see here 10 to the raised power minus 3. Okay. So 1 with millimeter and with meter 10 to the raised power minus 3. Okay. Now meter is cancelled with meter. What is your answer? 3.7 into 10 to the raised power minus 1. When this minus 3 will go up, it becomes plus 3 millimeter. Now plus 3 minus 1, what should be your answer?
هذا 2.
Very
Two.
good. 2 millimeter. This is your answer, boys. Now any question? So you have changed decimeter to millimeter.
Please, doctor, one exam.
Yes.
One
One more example.
example.
Okay, sure. Why not? Okay, students. Now here we will change 5 point. Wait, let me take. Okay, here we change 5.9 millimeter. Okay, let's change centimeter to kilometer. Okay, how will you change? Do we have centimeter to kilometer?
No.
No.
I think you have
Very
to change the centimeter to a meter. After that, meter to kilometer.
Very good, excellent. So it means here we shall use again 2 steps. What is given? 5.9 centimeter, multiply, divide, centimeter down and meter up. We know that from the table 1 with centimeter and with meter minus 2. Centimeter will be cancelled. What is your answer? 5.9 into 10 minus meter. Multiply. Now change meter to kilometer. Meter down and kilometer up. We know that 1 kilometer and 10 to the raised power 3 with meter. You can find from the table. So meter will be cancelled with meter. 5.9 into 10 to the raised power minus 2 into 10 to the raised power here plus 3. When it will go up, it becomes minus 3. Very good. It is kilometer. So what is your answer? 5.9 into 10 to the raised power minus 2 minus 3? Minus 5 kilometer. Yes, young man. This is your answer. Any problem?
No, doctor, thanks.
Next one. Can you wait? I will write it.
Yeah, sure. You can.
Thank you.
You can take picture, or otherwise I will send you all this as a PDF on your WhatsApp.
Is there examples in the PDF that you?
Yes, there are examples. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. I will send you. Okay, students. Now let's discuss our examples about dimensional analysis. So here is our first example. A person's average daily intake of glucose is 0.0833 pounds. So our question is in pounds. What is this mass in milligram? We have to calculate in milligram. And what is the conversion factor? 1 pound is equal to 453.6 grams. So pound to gram we can easily convert, and then gram to milligram we have to use our calculations. So let's do it. Here what is given? 0.0833 pounds. Multiply, divide. What will you write down? Pound down and gram up. We know that 1 pound is equal to 453.6 grams. So pound will be cancelled with pound, and when we use calculator, 0.0833 multiplied by 453.6, we have 37.78 grams. Now our answer is in gram. So change gram. What will you do? Gram down and milligram up. We know that is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 3 gram. Gram will be cancelled with gram. When we use calculator, 37.78 into 10 to the raised power. Here minus 3 down, when it will go up, it becomes plus 3 milligram. Okay, now this is our answer, but when we write it in scientific notation, it is 3.778 into 10 to the raised power 4 milligram. So 0.0833 pound is equal to 3.778 into 10 to the raised power 4 milligram. Okay, now let's move to next example. Okay, students, answer is written here. Okay, our next example is an average adult has 5.2 liters of blood. Okay, what is the volume of blood in meter cube? So we are going to convert 5.2 liter to meter cube. Okay, let's do it. .2 liters. We have to convert to meter cube. Okay, there are two methods to solve this calculation, this question. Okay, first method is direct method. If we know direct conversion factor, we know that 1 liter is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter cube. So how will we perform our calculation? 5.2 liters multiply, divide, liter down and meter cube up. We know that 1 liter is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter cube. Liter will be cancelled with liter. When you use calculator, or it is direct to simple calculation into 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter cube. This is our first method. Okay, now there is a second method. If you don't know this conversion factor, then you have to calculate step by step. Now, what is that method? Here I can write second method. What is this method? In this method, first we change liter to milliliter. Now milliliter is equal to centimeter. Now then change centimeter cube to meter cube. So one is direct method, we have already discussed, and second method is first change liter to milliliter, and then milliliter is equal to centimeter cube, we have already discussed in our previous lecture, and then change centimeter cube to meter cube. How? Okay, here we have 5.2 liters multiply, divide, liter down and milliliter. We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 3 liter. So liter will be cancelled with liter. When we use calculator, it is 5.2 into 10 to the raised power 3 milliliter. Now we know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So milliliter is equal to centimeter cube. So we can easily write 5.2 into 10 to the raised power 3 centimeter cube. Now change this centimeter cube to meter cube. Okay, how? Multiply, divide. Now centimeter is given, centimeter down, centimeter cube, and meter cube up. Now question is, do we know this meter cube and centimeter cube conversion factor? No. We have already discussed in our previous lecture 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 2 meter. But here we need makam. So take cube on both sides. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 6 meter cube. Now here we have conversion factor. So 1 with centimeter cube, here you will write 1 with centimeter cube, and with meter cube it is 10 to the raised power minus 6. Here it is. So centimeter cube cancel. When we use calculator, it is 5.2 into 10 to the raised power, here plus 3 minus 6. It is minus 3 meter cube. So this is our answer. So next example is liquid nitrogen is obtained from liquefied air and is used to prepare frozen goods and in low temperature research. Okay, the density of the liquid at its boiling point is 0.808 gram per centimeter cube. Convert the density to units of kilogram per meter cube. Okay, now so here we are given 0.808 gram per centimeter cube. Convert this gram per centimeter cube to kilogram per meter cube. Okay students, now here we have two methods. Again, first method, direct conversion. If we know direct conversion factor, then we can easily convert. And second method is step by step. Okay, let's discuss first step by step method. What is this method? Now, first we will perform here in the steps method, not direct method. 808, change gram to kilogram and then centimeter cube to meter cube. Okay, how? So what we will take, make brackets here, multiply gram down and kilogram up. Now in denominator, centimeter cube down and meter cube up. We know that 1 kilogram 10 to the raised power 3 down and 1 centimeter cube 10 to the raised power minus 6 meter cube. This one we have just finished in our second example. And this one we already know that 1 kilogram is equal to 10 to the raised power 3 gram. Okay, so 0.808. Okay, gram will be cancelled with gram. When 10 to the raised power 3 will move to numerator, it becomes 10 to the raised power minus 3 kilogram. Okay, divided by centimeter cube cancel, and it is 10 to the raised power minus 6 meter cube. Here we have. Okay, now when we see here 0.808, here 10 to the raised power minus 3, when this minus 6 will move to numerator, it becomes plus 6 kilogram per meter cube. So 0.808 into 10 to the raised power 3 kilogram per meter cube, because minus 3 plus 6 plus 3. So this is our answer. Okay, if you want to change it into scientific notation, it is 8.08 into 10 to the raised power 2 kilogram per meter cube. Or simply you can write 808 kilogram per meter cube. So here, what did you do? Very simple. You have changed gram to kilogram here, and okay, direct method also. That is second method. What is this method? If we know direct conversion factor, okay, how? What is given? 0.808 0.808 gram per centimeter. Multiply, divide. What is given? Gram per centimeter cube. So we have to write it down, because same unit what is given you will always write it down. And what you have to calculate, that is kilogram per meter cube. Okay friends, we have studied in our previous lecture 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 10 to the raised power 3 kilogram per meter cube. It means with gram per centimeter cube it is 1, so write it 1 here. And with kilogram per meter cube, what is written? 10 to the raised power 3. So write 10 to the raised power 3 here. So gram per centimeter cube cancel. What is left? 0.808. This one same. Multiplied by 10 to the raised power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now this is our answer. So if you want to change it into scientific notation, it is 8.08 into 10 to the raised power 2 kilogram per meter cube. Or simply you can also write 808 kilogram per meter cube. So this is direct method. But if you know this direct conversion factor, then you can find easily. If you don't know, just go step by step. Okay friends, so these are the examples. There are some questions in your exercise. Try to solve those questions.